Breaking news. Nnamdi Kanu gets new senior attorney to lead defense against Nigerian government. Hello, my wonderful people. The attorney, the people who has been working on Nnamdi's case have been doing well, but it's high time they step up, step up because Nigerian government needs iron fist. If you know what that means, you need to face them square on. Okay, because when it comes to Abba Kyari, they are trying to, hide him. When it comes to others from the north that commit any offense, by the way, Nnamdi Kanu did not commit any offense. Asking for self-determination, having your reasons is not an offense. I'm talking about those that even commit offense genuinely. When it comes to the Bokos, when it comes to bandits, the North hide them very cleverly. But when it comes to people from other region who they termed has committed an offense, they make sure that they tighten the fist, make life unbearable and difficult for the people, for their own personal, only God knows what. What the people of the Southeast has done to Muhammadu Buhari and this administration, only God Almighty can truly tell. Because if you want to think about it, let's look at it squarely. How many have you seen that has been persecuted? No, they have a deceitful game called for them the Repentant Bandit Program. All a deceit so that they don't touch them. Let's get all the details. Breaking news. Nnamdi Kanu gets new senior attorney to lead the defense against Nigerian government. The lawyer said this in an update on his visit to Nnamdi Kanu. Ifeanyi Ejiofor, the lead counsel to the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has said that an undisclosed senior attorney will henceforth lead the defense team of the pro-Biafra separationist leader. Ejiofor revealed that a visit to Kanu in the detention of the Department of State Security Services on Monday was described as a surprise Christmas package when the inclusion of the lawyer he called a legal giant, consummate number of the inner bar, legal Iroko, who has distinguished himself in the practice of the law, showed up. Ejiofor disclosed not to reveal the identity of the new lawyer who will be in the front of Nnamdi Kanu's legal battle against the Nigerian government, noting that we have desires from the publishing for you to know our legal experts for certainty, salute reasons. We has also become necessary that we show such restraint because of the presence of morals we have inflicted and actually taken on the social media. We need to be careful. The lawyer said those in an update on his visit to Nnamdi Kanu, which was made available to Sahara reporters on Tuesday. The statement reads, "We paid our routine visit to our unwavering, relentless, rock solid and noble clients, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, yesterday at the DSS detention facility in Abuja. The visit this time was spectacular and was greeted by an influence of air of celebration. Nnamdi Kanu was particularly intrigued by the visit and preferred to describe it as a surprise Christmas present. You may not understand the particulars of this visit and how significant it is. But in due course, I am certain you will be in the best position to fully appreciate the wisdom that informed it. Sufficiently to say that it has led to the attorney of Onyenwa. I took advantage of this visit to unveil the legal giant, a distinguished and an accomplished member of the inner bar, whom I have chosen to frontline our defense team. The lead senior counsel is an excellent and a learned gentleman, distinguished in academics and in practice of the law in our law courts. The reason that informed this arrangement is my unfailing desire to see in every weapon end of our work to ensure that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu get the best at all time. The latest masterstroke involved in the legal giant has been intended came to Nnamdi Kanu as a big surprise, although he was not oblivious to our arrangement to enlist the assistance of this cooperation of the senior attorney. He did not know what I could get, whether I could get the senior attorney or not. He was particularly delighted to welcome this legal giant to consummate the members of the inner bar, a legal Iroko who has distinguished himself in the practice of law, visited him yesterday. So this is what is going on. Nnamdi Kanu's team has employed the service of a well-distinguished attorney general whose identity is not yet revealed. In due course, like you heard, we'll be hearing and be knowing who this person is. And this person will be the lead counsel with regards to Nnamdi Kanu's case against the federal government. Come to think of it, like I was, illustrating to us at the very beginning. What crime did Nnamdi Kanu commit? And what crime did Bokos and the bandits have they committed? Can you pick the difference? Can you see that the table is quite different? It's like north to south, two different ball game altogether. There is no way you can put it together. Yet, I put it to you, one side which have truly committed an offense, killed, destroyed, committed all forms of offense, you name it, go scot-free. Not a single one of them has been held accountable. Please investigate if any of them has been held accountable on the account of all these things going on. Not a single one of them has been held accountable. Why? On the other side of the table, the one who has not committed any offense is the one being held, accountable, being abuse, if you want to use that word, and it is terrible because in Nigeria today there is no truth. Okay, truth is relative. It's not what you think conventional truth is. Okay, truth is something, might be something totally different. So this is what is going on. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not commit any offense. However, Buhari's government have decided to say, you know what, because you want out, you are the real person who have committed offense in this country. The other people who are killing, destroying, and committing, they have not committed any offense. You are the offender. Can you imagine? How do you beat that? Or how do you really explain what is going on? So you can see the oppression being inflicted on Nnamdi Kanu and people from the north, people from the, beg your pardon, from the southeast. You can see the oppression. For what crime have they committed? What is their offense? What really have they done? And why would they be treated as a scumbag? Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please do not forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Bye for now.